If Instagram is not working, don't panic. Since Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms, it's normal to face such issues once in a while. So if this happens to you, try out these fixes. Restart your phone. Restarting your mobile device will often clear most problems. So restart your phone to see if it resolves your problem. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, restart the router as well and check if your problem is solved. Update Instagram. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update option, update the app and check if it resolves your issue. Clear cache. Go to Settings, Apps and Permissions, App Manager. Here search for Instagram and tap on it. Tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache to clear the cache. Reinstall Instagram. If the problem is caused by a bug, you can fix Instagram by uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. Here is one thing to note, that by uninstalling the Instagram app, you will be logged out for your Instagram account. Enable permissions for Instagram. Go to Settings, Apps and Permissions, App Manager. Here search for Instagram and tap on it. Then select Permissions. Here make sure to allow all the permissions. Check if Instagram is down. If none of these methods work for you, use a service like Down Detector to check if the Instagram service itself is down. If you cannot solve the problem yourself, you will have to wait until Instagram fixes the issue. Hope these fixes will help you to solve the problem. If you found it helpful, like, share and subscribe for more.